We have to derive an angel curve for utility equals to min of xy. So you are given u equals to min of xy. Okay. As we know that in order to derive angel curve, first of all, you'll have to find out Marshallian demand curves. And these Marshallian demand curves at a given level of prices convert into angel curve. Okay. So you have u equals to min of xy. So budget line is P1x plus P2y equals to M. So total expenditure on X and Y is P1x plus P2y. Total income is M. Let me just, for the sake of completeness, P1 and P2 is the price vector. Income is M, which is income of the consumer. Okay. Remember this, that this is a case of perfect complements. That is, they have both the goods are used in a given proportion in order to give utility to the consumer. Okay. So, and in this case, both the goods are used in equal proportion, that is x equals to y. So we'll be substituting x equals to y in the equation. So in place of y, you will write x. Okay. So your x would be equal to m upon p1 plus p2. So this is a Marshallian demand curve for x. Okay. Now this also becomes the angel curve for x. Okay, for a given level of prices. Okay, for a given level of prices. When prices are given to you, see, remember this, that angel curve is the relationship between income and the quantity demanded. Okay, so angel curves are drawn in income and quantity demanded space. So p1 and p2, they are given to you, they are fixed. Okay, so what is the slope of this angel curve? That is dx by dm, and that is coming out to be 1 upon p1 plus p2. That is the slope of this angel curve, and this is, since p1 p2 are positive, so this is a positively sloped curve, and this is the angel curve for a given level of prices. Okay.